The Salem Presby Basic School shares a wall with the La Presby Senior High School, where a former headmaster was transferred after granting City News interview over lack of infrastructure in the past. Eventually, a private individual came to their rescue, but the headmaster will pay the price for the interview that brought results. Today, an old student of the basic school who pleads anonymity has visited to donate furniture to his alma mater. The head teacher here is guided by history and will not attempt speaking to the media. While the formalities were ongoing, the corroded roofing sheets and the wooden structure that served as classrooms for JHS 1 to 3 caught my attention. I got closer and interacted with some of the pupils. They were fanning themselves with their exercise books. They were suffocating in the classroom they call an oven with wobbly desks.
Our classroom infrastructure, it's like we are in an oven because the room is too hot. It's too hot. And then our cupboard, we can't store our books in it because the cupboard are broken. And then our desks too, they're also broken. Because we are too much in the class, we sit in 3 instead of 2. Sometimes we also sit in 2 instead of 1.
At the time that there is COVID-19, you are told to do social distancing. How do you feel?
I'm not happy about the way things are going in.
Sometimes if we come in the mad people come and shit here. Our books, they'll be using it to clean their guns. Sometimes the teachers and the staff, their plates and those things, they'll be shitting inside.
Are you serious? Where do they find it?
Sir, inside the staff, and we'll be cleaning it.
They break into it?
Yes.
Have you cleaned some yourself?
Yes, sir. We've cleaned some before.
When was this?
Sir, last week, the Wednesday was Tuesday.
At break time, they had lunch in the same classrooms. They tell me they often come to clean up fecal matter. The meal of one of them, Wache, caught my attention. What are you eating?
Wache.
Where did you get it from?
I want them back.
Where?
Yeah.
How much was it?
50.
Yeah. What?
Yeah, I know how much.
No, how much was it?
This
15 cedis.
No, 1.5.
1 cedi 50%?
Yes.
Did you buy egg?
No.
Meat?
No.
Gary?
No.
Macaroni?
No.
Fish?
No.
While others helped themselves with protein-less lunch, Susanna Abner Texan was marking scripts of her colleagues. I asked her why. She revealed a deeper problem. Are you the class prefect?
Yeah.
But is marking classwork part of your...
Yes.
Okay.
I'm just helping the teacher.
Okay. Do you have enough teachers?
No.
Why?
I'm not sure why, but recently there was an ICT teacher who was serving as a service teacher. But after the first semester, he didn't come this semester. So we haven't been taught ICT since we opened for this semester.
How long ago was this?
About 3-4 months.
3-4 months, no
We
ICT.
opened second semester on June.
Right.
So since June.
No ICT.
We haven't been taught French since KG, P1, P2, P2.
You've been in this school from KG?
Yes.
She's yet to get to final year. She loves her school and she wants something done.
What I love about the school is that the teachers, the subject they teach, I really like it. But I'm not happy that I haven't been taught French since KG. So I'm even not confident that I'll learn anything from it because now I'm about to start from 8. I feel like the government doesn't care about us because our parents pay taxes and it doesn't use their taxes to help us. We don't have English textbooks. We need English textbooks. in this class.
For her seniors who are candidates in the upcoming BECE less than a month away, they wondered how they could compete with their colleagues in ICT, for example, when they've never touched a keyboard or a mouse, or GA, when they've not had a teacher in a long time.
Even ICT too like this, the teacher have to come and stand. Keyboard, you have to draw it on the table for us to know where the keys are. We don't have any computer lab here to learn anything. When he wants to teach, sometimes you open the book and show this is a mouse, so this is that. Because of that, we don't know ICT.
Have you held a mouse before?
No.
Have you seen a computer before?
I've seen it in a book.
What?
I've seen it in a book.
Have you seen a keyboard before?
That one too, I've seen it in a book.
Have you touched it before?
No, apart for the laptop one. Our teacher have a laptop that he has been bringing into the class. That one there I can say I've held it before. But real computer there, no. Sometimes the private school especially, when we meet like this, I sometimes feel sharp. Because things that they will be mentioning in their school, I never heard it in my school. Someone will say, yesterday we went to our computer lab, this and that. I will just be quiet because I don't have some in my school.
Wow.
So I cannot challenge with them. This always makes me sad a lot.
So how are you going to run your BECE?
So in the end, I say we are looking upon God. For God, all things are possible. We are trying sometimes to our class prefect try to help us when there is no teacher around. We say, guys, learn this, do that. That is what we are all trying to.
Gabriel Texan is the school prefect. He analyzes the challenges of his school.
Right now, we don't have a Ghanaian teacher and a BDT teacher.
Do you feel adequately prepared?
Yeah, I am.
You're confident?
Yeah.
With all the challenges you've named?
Yeah.
What gives you that confidence?
My dad, first of all, he helps me, really helps me. Sometimes advises me and all that. Also my teachers.
So what about your friends whose dads are not there?
I don't know about them. Most of us here, our parents are irresponsible.
Why do you say that?
Yeah, because not all of us, our parents come here. Even on PTA days, not all of them come here.
How does that make you feel?
Sad.
Why?
I don't know how, but I feel sad.
While teachers and pupils engage in academic activities in congested, poorly ventilated classrooms, an uncompleted structure waiting for completion serves as a playground for the pupils. They've therefore pleaded with the government to help arrest the situation. For City News, Caleb Kuda.